Have some coffee over here. Hi, Kuya. Excuse me. Walang akong coffee. Bawak nga, Kuya. Ay, sige. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Sarap pa coffee niyo, Kuya. Coffee muna tayo this morning. Ah, daming gatas. Thank you. More milk. Okay lang, ang sugar. So, we're going back to our table. There's Isa, my friend.